So what are we saying? The essence of this is to say that Nigeria has one opportunity to reset again, and to say that as we start a new journey towards development, towards economic industrialization of a country, that Nigeria should join the race. And perhaps this is a good opportunity for us to see to it that we prepare ourselves as a country in Africa, the largest economy, to get our manufacturing sectors to work, to get our banking sectors to work efficiently to support economic growth and development, so that by the time African Continental Free Trade Zone arrangement comes on stream, Nigeria will be adequately prepared. I watch on television that AFCFTA starts again January 2021. And so, what do we do as a country? And that's why we think we should galvanize the manufacturing sector, the health sector, to prepare and then get our factories back, create jobs. Let us begin to see the fumes coming out of the rooftops of the manufacturing companies, so that we can be adequately prepared for the battles ahead. Now, in all this, the health crisis of coronavirus has dealt on countries, particularly commodity-dependent countries like Nigeria. It's a bad news that crude prices have come down so badly that people are even offering discounts for their product, for their oils to be picked up. So what does that mean? That whether we like it or not, revenue from crude will drop. And what does that also mean? That we don't have a choice but to diversify the base of our economy. But what does that also mean? Yes, the dollars that we used to have in ample quantity will no longer come as long as we rely on crude, that they will no longer come in the size and quantum they used to come. What does that also mean? That we need to prioritize and make sure that the dollar that is available is used to import or service obligations that are priority. What does that also mean? That we must make sure that we produce those items that can be produced in Nigeria and consume what we produce in Nigeria. But coming to the last part of your question, you talked about there are concerns about, there are not much dollars, and so, but let me say this. In 2015-16, we faced the same situation, right? And what did we do? We called a meeting of the banks, we called a meeting of the correspondent banks and development partners. We told them that there is nobody that will lose his money or her money in Nigeria. And I'm happy that we went through that without anybody losing its monies in Nigeria. We made sure those who wanted to go, that they were able to take their monies out, because things turned around and were able to put in place policies that made it possible for them to take their monies out. We always like to support an orderly exit, but not an exit where everybody rushes to the door at the same time. If there's fire in this room and everybody rushes to the door at the same time, I am sure the fatalities will be more than if we all go out through the door in an orderly manner. And that's what we are appealing to everybody. If you have LC, if you have whether dollar obligation, I'm saying just be patient. There may be a delay in you taking your monies out, but will you take your money out? I'm seizing this opportunity to give 100% assurance to everybody that you will take your money out. You will not lose a cent of your money if you desire to take your money out. But we just seek the patience and understanding of everybody. Thank you.